Hi guys, it's Ben here at Cult Motorcycles. Here today to give you a quick video rundown of this fabulous 2016 Harley Davidson Street XG 750. The bike has covered a mere 2,086 miles. The bike really is in fantastic condition throughout. It's pretty much unmarked and as close to new as you'll find. The only modification is the Vance Hines exhaust. The fit looks perfectly with the bike and it also sounds fantastic. The bike comes with 2 keys, the owner's manual and service invoices. The bike had its first service at 984 miles. It'll have a fresh service before it leaves us along with a full MOT, so it's ready to go for the new owner. Hopefully that gives you a good flavour of the bike. It really is absolutely immaculate. Any questions or queries, don't hesitate to give us a call, drop us an email. We can take part exchange, finance, deliveries, no problem. So that's everything covered off. So thanks for watching and I look forward to hearing from you.